बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वाज्जल फरज आले मुहम्मद। Today we are studying Fry's rearrangement. Rearrangement of phenolic ester. This is a phenolic ester. Phenol, acyl group is attached with the phenol. H is replaced of phenol with the acyl group. This is called the phenolic ester. Rearrangement of phenyl alkyl ester or phenolic ester to ortho-acyl phenol and para-acyl phenol in presence of AlCl3 catalyst, which is a Lewis base, which is the negative ion acceptor, which is the Lewis acid. It acts as the Lewis acid. We explain it. Electron pair acceptor is called the Lewis acid. It is the electron deficient. AlCl3 is bonded with 3Cl. Its octet is incomplete, 2 to 4 or 2 6. In outermost shell of aluminium there are 6 electron pairs. There are 6 electrons instead of 8. Elements have tendency to attain 8 electrons in their outermost shell to become stable. This is called the octet rule. It is electron deficient. It has 3 bonds. It has tendencies to accept 2 electron pair. Therefore, it is the Lewis acid. Lewis acid base concept we have already studied. Species which is electron pair acceptor is called Lewis acid, and species which is electron pair donor is called Lewis base. So AlCl3 acts as the Lewis acid. In the presence of AlCl3 catalyst is called Fry's rearrangement. Like this is the phenyl alkyl ester, phenolic ester, for example, e.g. AlCl3 is catalyst. It is heated, so then it will give the ortho-acyl phenol or para-acyl phenol. What is the mechanism? This is the phenolic ester, phenyl alkyl ester. When it is treated with AlCl3, this oxygen has electron pair. It acts as the Lewis base. It is the Lewis acid. This oxygen donates electron to aluminium, and octet of aluminium is completed. Therefore, Cl will become positive and aluminium has gained electron, so it will become negatively charged. Now, this in the second step, this oxygen positive withdraws electron from the electrophilic carbon, and strong electrophile C double bond O positive is generated, and Cl is also lost in the Cl negative, or their compound become the stable. Now benzene is attached through oxygen with AlCl2. Now this AlCl2 C double bond OR acts as the strong electrophile. Benzene delocalized. In order to sheep the delocalized pi electron cloud in benzene, we need the strong electrophile. The strong electrophile is generated due to the catalyst. This strong electrophile attacks on this carbon, and withdraws these electrons. This carbon is attached with the acyl group. It is electrophile, and then hydrogen is also attached. Adjacent carbon become electron deficient. It develops the positive charge. Now base attacks on this proton and forms the HCl. It is a base, Cl negative. Electron will shift in the ring and benzene ring is regenerated. This will become benzene attached through oxygen to AlCl2, and then on ortho position is acyl group. Now this product in 5 step, water will be wrecked. It is used as the medium. Hydrolyze it, and this Cl oxygen will take electron because electropositive metal is attached with oxygen. This become partial negative. OH will attach AlCl2. Aluminium hydroxide chloride will be generated, and this O will convert it into the OH. This is ortho-acyl phenol. Now this will react with the HCl. This is an acid, and react with the HCl base. H and OH. HCl is acid, or it acts as the base. This will OH and H will combine with each other. This will give the H, and this provide the OH. So this will react. H2O is formed, and AlCl3 catalyst is regenerated. And on the ortho position, similar mechanism is repeated on the para position. This is the phenyl alkyl ester react with the AlCl3 addition product. This will be formed. Cl negative will give electron to aluminium. Aluminium will develop negative charge and oxygen positive, like this first step as we have mentioned already. In second step, this oxygen withdraw electron because it is positive and become neutral. This oxygen Cl negative will also withdraw electron, and Cl as a Cl negative is lost. This is the strong electrophile. Now this strong electrophile will attack on this product and on the para position and withdraw electron towards itself. We will this on the para position acyl group will be attached. All hydrogen is already attached. Adjacent carbon become positive. Now base will lose the proton and electron are shifted in the ring. Ring is regenerated. This will give the HCl. H and Cl will combine and give the HCl. HCl. Now on the para position acyl group is attached and oxygen is attached to the aluminium and dichlorides, two chlorides. Now this oxygen will withdraw electron towards itself and water will positive protonation will occur. This is partial negative OH, like first step we have already mentioned. This H positive will combine with oxygen and OH with the aluminium. Hydroxy aluminium chloride will be generated and then para acyl phenol will be formed. Now this hydroxy aluminium chloride will react with the acid HCl and accept the Cl negative ions. Cl negative and become CaLCl3 and H2 is formed again. This is the catalyst, or it is regenerated at the end of reaction. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraja ali Muhammad.